In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to take a course in the e-learning. It may be also institute or academy, maybe one of those sayings, based upon who the creator of the community is. So what you do is go to that page, whatever it is. They'll explain it as you go along. Because one of the cool things about our platform is that you can name it whatever you want to name it, but you'll be able to, if you look here. It says e-learning here, so you know that's where it is actually, so it doesn't matter what the name is, it still takes you to the same place. And then if you scroll down, they'll have general information about the courses. And then to take a course, we'll go here, just for the sake of our demonstration. Depending how they have it set up, they'll have various courses available that'll be free or paid courses, depending on your membership. We'll take the cash course. So what you would do is you would take a look at the details. The cost is $19. You will go down and look at all the information for the course. It has a video, so you can watch the video about, the sales video, all the graphics and stuff about the course to take, and then you're there. And then you take a look at that. That's one course there. Let's go back to the main page. Let's go down to courses again. Let's go here. And then you can go to marketing how-tos. So let's take a look at this to show you the demonstration of how it works. Then you would look here. There's no cost on this one. The instructor is BizHelp 101, and then all the information of the course is there, and that's basically what it looks like. Now let's register for a course, which you do is in the main page. Scroll down. Again, based upon the community that you're in, you'll have to find where the courses are, and you'll go to, we'll try there. And then let's open up marketing, promotion, how-tos. And then let's find one. There we go. Let's try Facebook ad secrets. Then you'll click on course registration. Then it'll have that you're already registered for the course because there's no fee for it. So now that you're registered, if you have a fee, it'll open it up in the shopping cart for you to pay. So you go down to your courses, or my courses. If you look here, I have a whole list of them because again I'm the admin, so I'm able to look at them. And then you open up 20 steps, and then there the course is. That's how you take a course on the e-learning center.